So, what's your name?
Sir, Pragyanandan Giri.
Pragyanandan Giri.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
related to B.B. Giri?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. I am from Mayurbhanj.
You are from?
Mayurbhanj.
Who is B.B. Giri?
Sir, he was our ex-president.
Huh?
He was our ex-president.
Did he belong to your area?
No, sir. He belonged to Brahmapur area, like Ganjam.
Any other relation of B.B. Giri you know?
Sir, any personality? No, sir.
No. You know any other Odisha, he has got any relation here?
Sir, he took birth in Ganjam district, I think. Yes.
So, you are from?
Mayurbhanj.
Mayurbhanj. And what is your education qualification of the laboratory?
Sir, I did my schooling from Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Karanjia. And then I did my 11th and 12th from one private residential school in Cuttack. And I did my undergraduation and post-graduation from National Institute of Science Education and Research in Bhubaneswar, Niger, Bhubaneswar.
Nice.
Yes, sir. I did major in chemistry and I graduated in 2020.
Graduated in which area?
Sir, in chemistry.
Chemistry.
Yes, sir.
And then major masters in?
Masters in chemistry, sir.
Masters in chemistry.
Yes, sir.
And then this is your first
Attempt, sir.
First attempt?
Yes, sir.
And then you are not yet employed anywhere?
No, sir.
And where are you staying?
Sir, in my home at Karanjia, Mayurbhanj.
Being a chemistry man, what you will do in the administration?
Sir, basically I have given OPS as first preference. Odisha Police Service as first preference I have given.
Odisha Police Service?
Yes, sir.
Right?
So, sir, I feel that being a background in chemistry, I can understand the forensic science aspect better. So, I had also interest in the investigation aspect of the police service. So, that's why I have given OPS as first option.
So, you are sure that after being appointed, you will be in the forensic science?
No, sir, but it is a part of the investigation aspect of the police service, sir.
But how the investigation is done at the field level through this forensic entry?
No, sir, like forensic is also one of the use of it. So, I am not saying.
Use it, but how do you think that the forensic area,
Yes, sir.
while there is a model,
Yes, sir.
but on this spot there can be a forensic test?
Yes, sir. I am not aware about details of it, sir.
Details about you know.
No, yes, sir.
And how the forensic test actually occurs here?
They take samples from that site to the lab, the forensic lab in Cuttack, I think.
And I think it is Cuttack.
Sir,
Is the laboratory is there or anything else is there?
sir, laboratory is in Bhubaneswar, I think. Sir, I am not sure about it.
You are not sure. You are not sure that, but you say that only because you are a chemistry and you will go for forensic science, and then that is why you are interested in OPS?
No, sir, I am interested in OPS, so I am telling that this can be an application of chemistry, like my background in this service. So that is not the reason for choosing this service.
The job of police is what?
Sir, to maintaining law and order.
Huh?
To maintaining law and order.
Maintaining law and order.
And also that giving justice to the people, like not giving justice by, sir, with the help of judiciary, by giving justice to the any victim, I think, sir.
Give justice to the victim.
Upholding law and order. And
Now, how do they operate law and order?
sir, in particular.
How the law and order maintenance? What is that? What do you mean by law and order?
Yes, sir. Sir, let's say there is a law like Motor Vehicle Act. So traffic police is there. So they are ensuring that that Motor Vehicle Act is being implemented. Similarly, other laws are there like that.
So do you think that the sub-inspector that is there in your area is maintaining law and order?
Yes, sir. They are doing.
They are successful. Are you satisfied with him?
Sir, yes, sir. A lot to do, but they are doing, sir. But still a lot to do, I think.
What are the things that you, while joining in police service,
Yes, sir.
do you think that in what way you will maintain this law and order and all these things? You will go on with a danda or something?
No, sir. Like, sir, I think that I will learn during training, sir.
During training.
Yes, sir.
And suppose you are not given OPS, what you will do? You will go to some other job?
Yes, sir.
What job means you will not join in the Odisha Civil Service?
No, sir. I'll join, sir.
Huh?
I will join and I will try next year,
Your
sir.
preference is OPS.
Yes, sir.
So,
Next.
this interview that we have called you,
Yes, sir.
not to assess your performance or something like that, just only to give you feedback
Yes, sir.
and to prepare you, orient you
Yes, sir.
towards the major
Yes, sir.
job. And then we have to only to make you the course correction if there is any, a scope of improvement if there is any.
Yes, sir.
So, you are quite handsome and quite tall, you have a smiling face, no doubt. But certain things that you have to scope for improvement. The scope of improvement is, when you came here, like you did not say thank you to anybody. You are simply straight away, you went to the seat, put on your these things and sat there. Only when we asked you smile, you answered your name and other things. That is, you have to improve that one.
Okay, sir.
So, the first thing you have to look into take care of is the feedback to you.
Okay.
So, dress code is most important. Put on a nice dress.
Yes, sir.
Nice dress means not chaka itho something.
Yes, sir.
White dress if you are follow the tie.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are comfortable with it, tie no
Yes, sir.
problem. Or if you are not comfortable with the tie, don't put on. Simply go with a good full shirt, not half shirt.
Yes, sir.
Go with a full shirt with the long colors, not short colors.
Yes, sir.
Elegantly you dress. That's one.
Yes, sir.
Second thing, I have told you the entry address needs improvement in your
Yes,
face.
sir.
Smiling face, confident walk. Walk confidently, not sulkingly don't enter into the
Yes,
because here 2 steps, mind it. But there I think there will be 10 to 12 steps. You have to walk along the room, big hall.
Yes, sir.
So walk with a confident steps, body language, till ये ऐसे leaning forward,
Okay, sir.
make it straight, then straight, and then stiff figure.
Like this.
Yeah, this is the
Okay,
position.
sir.
That is the position. That's okay. Don't remember this and correction. Course normally
Okay, sir.
be composed. ନିଜକୁ ଯଦି composed and confident ରଖିଲେ there is no. Because the people those who are there know where much knowledgeable than you.
Yes, sir.
They were born earlier and they have more experience. They are not brighter than you know, but much better than. So don't fear them so much. They are
Yes, sir.
not. Bhagabalu no they khai dere sai.
Yes, sir.
Courteous support. Thank you. Sorry. Most important. And voice and modulation because swara ta tika ucchar kore and eye contact. You are doing it. So when you are preparing for this interview,
28.
preparing for this, don't take it so seriously. Take it casually.
Okay, sir.
Not that casual. Take it casually means normal. Not out. Suppose you are going to bed at 9 p.m. Go at 9 p.m. Go early. Take your food. Take your bath. Take everything relaxed. Don't read many books. It is not an examination. Your knowledge is already tested.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Your knowledge is already tested there. It is only your behavior and personality.
Yes, sir.
It is not your knowledge.
Yes,
so don't gobble the knowledge, try to acquire the knowledge all around. That's not it. Don't do that.
Yes, sir.
So relaxed, go to bed early. Then a question suppose somebody asks, listen to him and answer him properly. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And then don't try to say something which is not asked for. Today you have your self-goal. I'm sorry to say this. I asked him that but is he here? Why are you here or something like that? I asked that question. You need to ask me, I want to be the OPS with the coin nothing, but then nothing.
Okay.
Why did you say that I am going for OPS? OAS, OPS, OFS. Why did you say that I am going for OPS? Don't say that.
There is specific Pachara.
Then I immediately ask you are man of chemistry, and then what way you will do with OPS? Then forensic level, forensic. Then you have no knowledge about forensic. You have no knowledge about inquiry. You have no knowledge about the structure, the organization in Odisha. That's forensic laboratory, FSL, director of FSL is there in Odisha, Bhubaneswar. And the head of which is the professor of chemistry is there. Sometimes a DIG rank officer is also there. And if you have no knowledge about the investigation, in what way forensic will help you in at the investigation stage? Only later on, when samples are sent, they will bring out the report. So all these are wrong questions. And mind it, you are sitting in front of a lion in police department. Satyajit Mahanti was the DG of police,
yes,
chairman. And you have simply gone into his den. ହାତରେ କିଛି ନଥାଏ କି ଗୋଟେ ବଖରା ପରିକା ଛେଳିଟିଏ ପରି ତାର ଗୁହା ଭିତରେ ବସିବ। ମାନେ ଛୋଟିଆ answer, a small answer that I prefer without being asked for. What he did, without being asked for, he simply answered that I want to go to, I prefer OPS. Why? Because I am a chemistry man. ପ୍ରାଣ ନେଇଯିବ ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିକି। He is a DG of police. Don't ask that question.
yes,
Don't. So, ground rule is whatever it is asked, you answer only. Don't try to say anything that you want to say.
Sir, like I have a doubt, like sir, so what will be the application of chemistry in administration? So what will be that answer?
Don't say that is my daughter. This administration, sir, why that is certain. You see how we are getting trapped. People will ask so many questions in an interview to pull your leg. Then you are naively showing your leg to be pulled. That is a question to pull your leg. That's it. In what way? You are a chemistry man, why are you going for this? Sir, I am seeking opportunity, job opportunity. This is one of the jobs that I want to see. Simple answer.
Okay, sir.
Like 80% IAS officers are engineers now.
Yes.
And what will they are doing then? તમે પચાસ તમે engineer ହେଇଛ છો ઓઈଠି collector ହେଇକି କ'ଣ କରୁଛ କିଛି ନ କରିବ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ what will their engineering job knowledge is necessary when what chemistry is necessary when physics is applicable that is more ଯଦି ଏଇଟା ନଥାନ୍ତା chemistry subject ଟା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ OS ରେ so you get that point?
Yes, sir.
It is a domain knowledge. My domain knowledge is chemistry. But my job knowledge is something different. My job requirement is different. I will acquire the job knowledge later on when I join.
Yes,
If you are confident enough, you can answer this. My domain knowledge is chemistry.
yes, sir.
That doesn't mean that I am always to be a chemistry man.
Okay, sir.
Answer is something different. So, that's another aspect of interview. Don't get subdued by the leg pulling. They will pull the leg. They bounce upon you.
Yes.
Keep quiet. Keep calm. Don't say anything. Sorry, sir, I do not know. Suppose you do not know the answer. Suppose you could not understand the question. Sorry, sir. Will you kindly repeat it, sir?
Yes.
Repeat question. You answer this. Suppose you do not know the answer. Sorry, sir, I do not know this. Simple. Don't get frustrated also. Because you are not supposed to know many things. Your knowledge is already tested somewhere else.
Yes.
So your response to that question is more important than your knowledge.
Yes, sir.
These are the small tips that you are that will be there. And then don't try to be over smart, like the way you did today. You OPS join करेंगे, That is over smartness. Because I want to join, because chemistry I want to join in a place. That may be your preference in your mind, but you should not share this. It's a job. Whatever is given to you, you will have to do that one.
Yes, sir.
So, and what is your hobby?
Sir, I have written traveling and exploring new places.
Traveling, and what are the places that you travel?
Sir, outside Odisha, I have traveled to, like in Maharashtra, I have traveled to Pune, Maharashtra, Pune, Mumbai, and nearby areas, like many forts like Raigad and other forts. And in South India, I have traveled to like Kanchipuram, Mahabalipuram, Chennai.
No, that's fine. Traveling is your one. And then other one?
Sir, traveling and exploring new places, I have written.
And then safety. Okay, that's fine. Then you are to be very thorough on those places.
Yes, sir.
You select what are the places that you visited, 2 to 3. Don't give a list of that.
Okay.
And try to gather information as much as possible of that. Suppose you have gone to Madurai, Meenakshi temple. You have gone there?
No, sir. I have gone to Mahabalipuram. Sir.
Mahabalipuram. So you have gone to Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram, suppose you say you utter the word Mahabalipuram. Sir, what is it? Mahabalipuram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then have full knowledge about Mahabalipuram. How much distance it is from Chennai to Mahabalipuram? 56 kilometers. How do you approach there? Where do you stay there? What is the structure of that? What is the, who has built it? What is the age old? What is the present status? Mahabalipuram, everything.
Yes, sir.
Compare it with Konark, compare it with Puri, compare it with the other similar sites of Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you say hobby, Mahabalipuram is the one. So, what do you think of? And 2 to 3, don't say much. पचास बजे को काम को सिजाई गोटे गोटे कहीदेव मन छुटिया गोटे जगह मुझे जाइए सी सब जानी थे चार्टा प्रश्न पचार यू कैनॉट से
Yes, sir.
You cannot say anything.
Yes, sir.
Like the way I asked about forensic, you could not say anything.
Yes, sir.
भूल जानना तो टैप कहो तो सारा भी जाने Why did you say butter?
Okay, sir.
Forensic संपर्क करें. These are the, I am telling you the, I am scanning you. You get the point? Your answer to scan coach. You told me that forensic laboratory, some forensic sample report is going on. And you said forensic laboratory. It's not a forensic laboratory. It's an organization. Forensic organization. Master of Kolkata is Hyderabad. You get that? Bhubaneswar is a forensic laboratory. Director of forensic laboratory is Russell Bhubaneswar. You told it, but how did you get the information? Wrong information. That is what is called inverted bluffing.
Yes, sir.
मुझे एक लिखी don't bluff. एवढा सब मुझे लिखी that is coming into your mouth. Bluff. Don't bluff.
Yes, sir.
So be as simple as possible. So hobby का कथा वाला. तापर human right issue का what you know?
Sir?
Human rights.
Yes, sir. Human rights are basic rights, like universal rights of every human, irrespective of country.
What is that?
Sir, like right to life is basic human right. So we cannot treat bad to the prisoners also. So everyone has similar human rights. And sir, like right to eat, right to drink, these are basic human rights.
Prasad. Human rights are list of holiday. Food is also human rights.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right to food.
Right to the human rights. Think of that. And in human rights, you put a PhD consulting of China. Human rights, you ask the questions. What are the questions that can come under human rights? Think of that. Make a list of that. And then the gender issue, what are the questions?
So gender issue. Sir, you are asking about gender.
What are the questions you are expecting? I am not asking any question.
Okay, sir.
You have to ask what are the questions that can come up.
Sir, like basics now, present status of women and like women related crimes.
Gender issues.
Sir, like gender
What is
discrimination.
gender issue? Do you have any idea of gender?
Sir,
Gender issue, have you got any idea?
no sir.
Gender issue is women and men, women issue is gender issue.
Yes sir. Like sir, crimes against women. Like that.
Crime hochi,
Discrimination.
inequality hochi. So gender issue as you Google re, tike bahar kar dekhe. You just go through that.
Yes, sir.
One or two idea karte hai. So you discuss with somebody and then tell you what a gender issue. But it's very simple. It's not normal thing. LGBT पर संपर्क में किसी पता नहीं क्या होती
Yes sir.
LGBT वाले कौन है?
Yes sir.
कौन से हैं?
So like transgender. Like sir, transgender. Full form of LGBT like lesbian, gay.
हाँ मुझे लगता है तो लगा था आपने चलो कौन what is the present Supreme Court present position कौन?
Sir, like that is third gender. Supreme Court has recognized that as a third gender.
Okay, fine, very good, nice point.
Yes sir. And recently a bill also passed like transgender bill 2005.
That's legalized.
Yes sir.
They can have they can live in together.
Yes sir.
That is legalized.
Yes sir.
ये सब चीज़ों का ठीक पॉलिसी तो मतलब स्पोर्ट्स में कौन आइडिया है?
So sports, I have not mentioned anything in my biodata.
But there may be ये वर्तमान ओलंपिक संपन्न
Yes, sir.
आइडिया
Yes sir, I did.
That's all. And then suppose you are from
Mayurbhanj, sir.
Mayurbhanj. Suppose you are given a job. In what way will you solve your village? You are
District
from village or a town?
town sir.
Town. Mayurbhanj.
Karanjia town.
Karanjia. Yes. In what way you will solve your town Karanjia?
Sir, like in what post, like OPS?
Tell me. In what is your idea about the improvement of your village, your town?
Sir, basically sir, major problem is like illiteracy of the tribal population of that. Like our district has 60% of tribal population. So that is one problem.
School.
Yes sir, schooling.
So you must have got a school there. In which school that you have passed?
Sir, Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir.
Well, you know something called More School program?
Yes sir.
What is that?
Sir, in most school program, like there are around 4,000 schools which will be digitalized. Like digital boards will be there and smart classrooms will be established.
More School program type. What is the basic? More School basic concept type.
Sir, upgradation of school infrastructure.
That is some education, some policy upgradation. More School specialty type.
Sir, I have not.
That's important. So I think all the even able to answer to somebody, what you will do for your village or town, most school program is समझते हैं that means most school program where you read your alumni at a particular school.
Yes sir.
So once you get a job, wherever you are, contribute something towards that school.
World Student Association.
World Student Association, More School is a platform provided by the government. Suppose you pay 1,000 rupees, government will pay 2,000 rupees. It becomes 3,000 rupees and that school will be improved.
Sir, any school, private and public school?
Private, very good rate. Private or public? Public, I think. Private that will improve. Government school. Suppose you have read in a government school. Privatization college होता है but whenever you private school का पता नहीं government school whenever you go there even college हो school हो college school is more important college तो नहीं you have joined there you once upon a time you were a student there then you contribute to that school. That's ये answer का सहज answer का इतना स्कूल एजुकेशन घर तैयारी करेंगे हम करें सम करें न करेंगे एवरीबडी यू गिव दिस आंसर आई फार मस्ट कंट्रीब्यूट करिए अपने सहज सो वेरी वायबल आल्सो टू डू दैट ओके सो these are the things foreign affairs अपने कितना आइडिया है?
Yes sir, foreign affairs. Like recently Taliban issue is.
Taliban issue पर अच्छा आइडिया है. क्वाड वाला कौन है तो?
Sir.
क्वाड.
Yes sir, quad multilateral.
ये ऑकस?
Yes sir, Australia, UK and US.
ତା ଛତ୍ର ଆଇଡିଆଟା ଅଛି।
Yes, sir.
କାଶ୍ମୀର ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଉପରେ କହିପାରିବ।
Yes,
ଆଜି
sir.
ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ କାହିଁକି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କହିପାରିବ।
Yes, sir. Even GS summit.
ହଁ?
Even GS summit.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆଚ୍ଛା। ମାନେ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ
Yes, sir.
କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟ
Yes, sir.
So you are well ଆଉ ଟିକେ brush up କରିଦେଲେ you will be very good. You have a very nice personality. Keep it in your mind that you will get OPS.
Yes.
So you prepare for OPS.
Yes, sir.
क्रिमिनाल जस्टिस सिस्टम केमती इम्प्रूव करा पुलिस सिस्टम केमती इम्प्रूव करा जाय परिबो पुलिस केमती सॉल्व करि परिबो कम्युनिटी पोलिसिंग कोन
Yes, sir.
कम्युनिटी पोलिसिंग ता कोन तार गोटे कांसेप्ट क्लियर करो
Yes, sir.
एंड माने से काय पचारि पर मस्ट हैव गिवन यू फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ओपीएस
Yes, sir.
सो यू प्रिपेयर ऑल दिस थिंग्स
Yes, sir.
because you are DG we may be talking to your DG ex former DG.
Yes,
So prepare that very well.
Yes, sir.
So that you will impress it, then you will get it.
Okay, sir.
It's a very nice thing you have. But don't, in the interview, don't tell yourself. They will know it. Your case is the preference, they will ask
Okay.
that question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So after you go there from here, you will get the feedback on your entry and other things through the video. Study that one.
Yes, sir.
What I have told you, you can verify that one and then improve upon that. That's
Okay,
one.
sir.
Two, after you go there, immediately make a write-off.
Yes, sir.
Small one page or half page. And कौन कथाबार्ता करें?
Yes, sir.
That is your test of your comprehension,
Okay, sir.
so that you will be more confident in the interview.
Okay, sir.
And then, after going, thinking many things, you suppose if you want, I don't want. Suppose if you want, you can give a write-up to me
Okay.
that I am preparing my interview like this. I am reading this, that thing, I am preparing that. One page or two pages. What are the questions that you are having in mind? What way you want to respond to these questions? One or two, three questions. You can write to me through my email. I have given the email there, you will get it.
Okay, sir.
So I will interact. Time is no limit. I am awake till 11:30, 12, and
Okay,
I
sir.
get up at 4:30.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Best of luck.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You will definitely, you have a very fair chance of getting it.
Thank you.
No, no, no.
Huh?